In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple AI agent that writes and sends emails for you in your voice without writing a single line of code. We are going to build this setup using n8n, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own AI-powered email agent that can automatically send messages in your tone and style. This was actually the very first automation I ever built in n8n back when I was a complete beginner. So if you are new to automation or AI workflows, don't worry, this is the perfect place to start. The goal here is to show you just how easy it is to create powerful AI agents and workflows, even if you've never written a line of code before. We'll start from scratch, connect OpenRouter for our LLM, link it with Gmail, and then test it live so you can see it working in real time. And make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll show you a small but important tweak that makes the agent sound exactly like you, email signature included. Alright, let's dive straight in and start building. First, open n8n and create a brand new workflow. Let's save it AI email agent. Once you've got that blank canvas, we'll start with our first node, chat trigger node. Let's search chat trigger. This is the piece that starts the workflow every time we send a message to the chat. This node triggers the entire automation. Now that we have our trigger, let's add an AI agent node. This is where all the magic happens. It's the brain of your workflow. We'll be using OpenRouter for the chat model because it's one of the most affordable ways to access multiple LLMs under one platform. With OpenRouter, you just load credits once, and then you can use models like Claude, Perplexity, OpenAI, or DeepSeek all in one place. Let's set it up. Head to OpenRouter and create an account. Once you are in, load up some credits, just a few dollars to start, then go to Keys section and click Create an API key. Let's name it OpenRouter Key 2. For the credit limit, I'll put $5 and then click Create. Copy that API key, we'll need it in a second. Back in n8n, we'll click on the chat model icon under the AI agent node and search for OpenRouter. Now we are going to create a new credential. Once the window opens, paste the API key we just copied from OpenRouter. We can name this credential OpenRouter Key 2, then click Save. After the connection is made, close this window and we can now select our chat model. For this setup, we'll go with ChatGPT 4o mini. For the memory, choose simple memory. That lets your agent recall past history and conversation, which helps it sound more natural, more human-like, and more like you. Now let's connect Gmail so our AI agent can actually send emails. If you're using self-hosted n8n like I do on Railway, listen closely, you'll need to follow these steps. But if you're on n8n.cloud, you can skip this part because the OAuth setup is already handled for you. Open a new browser tab and go to console.cloud.google.com. Click the project picker and choose Create Project. Name it Gmail n8n. Leave the organization as is and click Create. Once it's ready, select that project. Now in the search bar at the top, type Gmail API and open it. Click Enable. On the left menu, click OAuth consent screen. You'll see Google OAuth not configured yet. Click Get Started. Let's fill it out. For the app name, type Gmail n8n. Choose the Gmail address you'll connect. Select external as the user type and click Next. For contact email, use the same Gmail address. Agree to the user data policy. Click Continue and then click Create. You'll get a confirmation message that your OAuth configuration was created successfully. Now under Metrics, click Create OAuth Client. Choose Web Application, name it Gmail n8n, and then we'll add the redirect URL. To get that URL, switch back to n8n. Inside your workflow, add the Gmail node under your AI agent and choose Create New Credential. A new tab will open. This is our OAuth redirect URL. Hover and copy it. Now go back to Google Cloud, paste that URL under authorized redirect URL, scroll down and click Create. You'll see your client ID. Click OK. Next, on the left, go to Audience, scroll to Test Users and click Add User. Add your Gmail address and save. Now go to data access, click add or remove scopes and change the rows per page to 100 so you can see everything. Scroll until you find Gmail API and select all the Gmail related scopes. Then click update on the main page, click save. Back in the left menu, click clients and on the right, click the edit button. You'll see your client ID and client secret. Copy both of them, return to n8n and paste them into your Gmail credential fields respectively. Then click sign in. This Google window will pop up. Select your Gmail account, click continue, grant all the required permissions and wait for the success message. Once it says connection successful, close the pop-up, give your credential a name. I usually just use the Gmail address and click save. Back in your workflow, select the Gmail credential you just created. For the to field, click the AI icon. This lets the agent decide who to send the email to. Do the same for the subject and the message fields, so the AI agent handles all three automatically. Double check that memory is still set to simple memory. That helps the agent keep context and write messages that sound consistent and natural. Let's test it out. Click open chat on your AI agent node. Now type something like send an email to this email saying I won't be able to come to the meeting. Then hit send. If everything's working correctly, you'll see the node execute successfully. Now open Gmail and there is the message. But hold on, notice the signature, it says best regards your name. We can't have that, let's fix it. Go to n8n, open your Gmail node and add a new description. In the description, tell the agent the email signature should always be my name. In my case, it's John Calvin. Now let's test it again. Open chat and type send an email to the same email I used, telling him that the meeting will go on as scheduled. Then hit send. And there it is. The node executes successfully again. Now open Gmail and you can see the message was sent. This time the correct signature was used. John Calvin, perfect. And that's it. We've just built a complete AI email agent in n8n without writing a single line of code. We started with a chat trigger, added our AI agent using OpenRouter and GPT-4o Mini, connected Gmail with OAuth and made it smart enough to handle the recipient, subject, and message all by itself. Then we tested it live and even personalized the signature so it sounds exactly like you. If you found this helpful, make sure you check out my next guide. It's all about automating B2B lead generation using Yellow Pages. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to find and collect leads automatically without all the manual work. I was a complete beginner when I built this. If I can do it, you can too. Go try it out and let me know how it goes. Bye!